Alright, so this video is going to be an extension of my color mixing video that I have linked for you in the description. This video is focusing on mixing browns. I also did a video called mixing greens, which I have linked in the description of this video. If you haven't seen that yet, you can check it out. So for browns, I like to mix it with colors that I already have instead of buying a tube of brown paint. If you buy a brown, it doesn't really look as real or as natural. So an easy way to make brown is by using all three of the primary colors. So you can add a bit of red, you can add a bit of yellow, and you can add a bit of blue. And when you mix those equal amounts, you're going to get a nice brown. So when you have your brown, you can add extra yellow to it. And this color is really nice. It's kind of like a yellow ochre or a kind of golden color. You can also add extra red to your brown, which is almost like a burgundy color. And you could add extra blue to your brown. So just like any painting, you really want to add a sense of variety. So if I'm taking my three primary colors again, and you can try using different blues as well. So last time I used cobalt. This time I'm going to use ultramarine just to see the difference there. With your brown, you can add a bit of titanium white. You can also add a bit of Mars black. To make a darker brown. It's also good with acrylics is that you can add some water to create a wash. So try adding some water to create a lighter shade, but it also acts as a wash. So when you're color mixing, it's good to kind of practice mixing your color and see what it looks like as a solid paint and then as a wash as well. So if I was painting something like a tree, I'm going to make sure that I have variety. So I have some highlighted areas. I have some darker areas on the shadow. And some of the bark, might be more bluish or, you know, It might be more red or more of a yellowy brown or an orangey kind of brown. Lighter brown, darker brown. So really just play around with it. See your different colors that you've mixed side by side to see if you're really happy with it. So it's good to kind of practice color mixing and do a little comparison to see different colors that you might use in a painting of, trees or any kind of landscape out there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel to see weekly videos coming to you.